You know, every business has this hidden drag on its resources, something that we often just write off as a background cost. But today, we're going to put a spotlight on your physical space and really explore how changing the way you manage it can actually optimize your entire operation. So let's just start with a really direct question. I want you to think about your office, your shop, your warehouse for a second. Is that building actively helping you succeed? Or is it kind of secretly holding you back? The answer, well, it can tell you a whole lot about how efficient you really are. See, a lot of the time, the problems aren't some single big catastrophe. Nope. They're more like a slow burn. It's things like your top salesperson spending 20 minutes fussing with a flickering light instead of, making calls. Or it's that sudden massive bill for an HVAC repair that, honestly, routine upkeep could have totally prevented. And what about a potential client walking into a lobby that just doesn't feel clean? That creates an instant negative vibe before you've even said hello. These are the little disruptions that quietly chip away at your bottom line. So what's the fix? Well, it really requires a pretty fundamental shift in mindset. You have to move from just reacting to problems to proactively optimizing the entire environment. And you do that with a dedicated operations partner. And let's be super clear here. We are not just talking about cleaning services or calling someone when things break. This is about a strategic partnership. The whole goal is to keep your facility running so smoothly that it just fades into the background, freeing you and your team up to focus on what your business actually does best. So, what does a partnership like this actually look like in practice? Well, it all starts with what we call the core service spectrum. These are the absolute foundations of a facility that just works. First step, the basics, but done on a whole other level. Customized janitorial solutions means no one-size-fits-all nonsense. A real partner gets in there and adapts their methods to fit exactly what your space needs. They make sure it's not just clean, but truly hygienic and professional all the time. Think about it. What's the very first thing people see when they walk in? The floors. Expert floor care is so much more than a mop and a bucket. It's about boosting the look of the place and protecting your investment, making those surfaces last way longer and consistently showing off a sharp, professional image. And then you've got comprehensive building maintenance. This is all about routine, scheduled upkeep. These are the nuts and bolts that prevent those huge, expensive problems down the road by simply keeping your facility safe and functional, day in and day out. But here's where the magic really happens. The real value comes when you go beyond these basics. This is where a simple service provider transforms into a strategic partner, and it is all about gaining that proactive advantage. Let's break this down, because this is the core of it all. The old reactive way means you wait for something to break, right? And that causes chaos, disruption, and crazy high emergency costs. A proactive partnership approach, that's all about preventing issues before they even start. It ensures your operations run seamlessly and turns those unpredictable costs into manageable, predictable upkeep. It's literally the difference between chaos and control. You know, a modern approach also means thinking about sustainability. Green cleaning programs use eco-friendly methods to create a healthier environment for your team and your customers. That's a huge, often invisible benefit that helps with employee well-being and, frankly, looks great for your company's social responsibility goals. But look, even with the absolute best plan in the world, the unexpected can still happen. A true partner, they have to be ready, always. Because a pipe can burst, a circuit can blow, stuff happens. Having a partner who can respond instantly, we're talking 24/7, to minimize that disruption, well, that's the critical safety net that keeps a small problem from spiraling into a business-halting disaster. Okay, so this all sounds great in theory, right? But does it actually work? Does it deliver real results? Well, the ultimate proof is always what the clients have to say. So let's see what people who've actually made this shift are saying. Listen to this from Sarah Mitchell. She doesn't just say her space is cleaner. She says it was transformed into a clean and efficient environment. That's a big difference. Then there's Ethan Caldwell, who points to the key outcome, operations that run seamlessly. That's the goal right there. And for David Thompson, it was a game changer, not just for the building, but for the entire business, improving overall efficiency. Finally, Lucas Bennett connects that quick response time directly to enhanced efficiency. You see the pattern here? So, when you pull it all together, the takeaway is crystal clear. Your facility should not be a liability. It should be a strategic asset. A partnership approach boosts your efficiency because it lets your team focus on their real jobs. It makes the place safer, it protects your brand image, and it gives you real control over your costs by stopping those expensive emergencies before they happen. Which brings us right back to where we started. Now that you've seen how this strategic approach works, I'll leave you with this one question to really think about for your own business. Is your facility an asset that's actively helping you win, or is it just an afterthought? The answer could change everything.